2017, when we were doing studies of all of our schools, Pleasant Run was one of the top schools that we needed to take care of and renovate. And for our families to go through that renovation process, the kids to go through that renovation process, and to come back together to celebrate it tonight, it's just been magical.
We've been saying for a long time that MSD Warren Township is the pride of the East Side. Pleasant Run's a clear part of that, and I think tonight is a great night to celebrate the presence of this building and what it means in the spirit of the pride of the East Side.